Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's update our view on the euro currency. So mostly market is moving with the direction that we have discussed recently. We have suggested some pullback just because market has completed COP, large ABCD, contracted objective point, which is a COP, right around this area. Since this is daily target and it's, well, more or less extended, so it means that pullback here might be more significant in general. And yesterday we talked about some levels to keep an eye on that could lead us to answer on a couple of questions. First of all, whether the market is keeping this pace and this short-term bullish tendency intact, or we should be ready for a bit deep retracement. So based on the performance that we see currently, it seems that the second scenario now is going to happen. Just pullback becomes a bit more stronger than we thought initially. So it means that on a lower time frame we will be watching for some patterns and should estimate some additional downside target that we could get. First of all, on a 4-hour time frame chart, now market is, well, has completed the second target that we discussed yesterday. If you remember, we have started our discussion when the market was around this area, and we said, well, since market is more or less shows significant upward action, it could try to spike up and complete the 1618 before reversal will happen. So, in particular, this performance we have seen. So market right now is turning down. Obviously, here you could imagine easily possible hand and shoulders shape. So one market will drop right back down somewhere to the neckline around 109 area, somewhere in this level. We could get the right arm. So if you're considering taking the short position on intraday charts, that's the pattern that potentially we could get. And as a result, the possible target, so we suggest that this will be approximately more or less similar. I mean, right arm to the left arm. So it seems that well, we could get at least to 108.50 area, so maybe lower. And approximately to this area. Why this is interesting is just because this type of the performance, guys, if we will get really dropped to the 108.50 on the daily chart, we could get a kind of the maybe bread and butter buy or something of that sort. So here maybe not very strong thrust, not as good as this one, but potentially some momentum trade we could get around the major 30% support. So major support I did not have it, so you have to plot levels right from these lows, but it will be approximately around 108.50, and completion of the hand and shoulders right around this area, it might be not bad opportunity to consider at least short-term bullish position with a minor bounce up to the 618 resistance, at least, just because overall thrusting action here was not bad. But this is what we will consider on the next week. Right now we are mostly focused on this pattern. We'll be watching how it will perform. And first it has to reach first the neckline and show the pullback, where theoretically scalp traders could get the chance for it possibly taking the short position. On the hourly chart, I do not see something really special. This is our construction that we discussed yesterday. And here's market is ready to break short-term context, current short-term upward tendency, because things that we said yesterday, market has to stay above the confluence and above this trend line. So we will see what will happen, but currently it seems that it's coming to the point of the possible erasing of this very short-term bullish context, and we have to increase the scale of our analysis and watch for the 4-hour time frame chart, for the daily chart, for the levels and the targets, what we actually just have done. So let's keep watching and see what will happen and whether we get hand and shoulders on the 4-hour time frame chart.